Hey guys, it's Rhonda Brzozowiec here. I was just going to do something today that I do every day to build my know, like, and trust factor on Facebook. And I just thought I would come on here and show you what I was doing. So as you can see, I'm on my page here on Facebook. Right here's Facebook, here's my name. And I am going to move myself over up to the corner over here. And I just want to show you one of the software programs that is available in my software business that is going to help you save time and build up your know, like, and trust factor, which is important when you have a business online and you're trying to build those relationships, right? So the reason I got into this is because, first of all, it's a one-time payment, no monthly fees, and I've been using other tools in the past that did have monthly fees, and that can get costly, where this is a one-time fee of $200 and you get access to all the software in my software business. I'm just going to be showing you this one today that's included. Okay, and this is a huge time saver. And it's something that everybody should be doing if you're doing business online and using Facebook, which most people are that are in marketing, because Facebook is one of the biggest platforms, right? So anyways, this is called a birthday wisher. It's right up here. It's actually a Chrome extension, so it's super easy to install. It does come with an instructional video. So I am going to click on it. Maybe I can't with this. Hold on, let me stop. Let me stop this. All right, so now I can. So here's the birthday wisher up here. I'm going to click on it. It's going to open for me. Once I'm on Facebook. Okay, so here I am. Now, when you originally get this, I will show you. I'm going to go into my settings here, just so you can see. I've already set this up. So I have posts, okay, and I also have messages programmed in here, okay? So you can do both. You can do one or the other, okay? You can get them in there. You plug them in there once. There's a very easy step-by-step instructional video showing you how to get that set up. If you want to change them once in a while, you can, or add more, you're free to, but I have mine set up now, right? So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to settings again. Should have just stayed there. And I am going to go to schedule. So now I'm going to put a delay. You should put it, if you're doing messages or posts, you should put a delay between them so that you don't get flagged, right? So you can pick different time limits that you want, 1, 2, 3, 5. I'm going to pick 2 minute. I want a 2-minute delay. Now, when you're picking your time, as you can see, they used the UTC time. So make sure you correlate with that, right? So right now it shows 2046. So for this video, I am going to go down and put, so that would be 8. So I'm going to put 8:47 p.m. Okay, now I'm going to save this. Because, you know, when I go to home, I have it enabled here. It's already enabled here. Okay, if I were to hit this, it would disable it. So it's going to start sending messages out for me is every 2 minutes as soon as it hits that time, which I set it for a minute ahead. So very shortly here, it should start working. So I'm going to leave this screen open for you guys so that you can see it work. So I can just come in here, set this, go do other things, whatever I need to do. It's automatically going to run for you. The only reason I'm staying here right now is just to show you how it works. But this is a huge time saver. So if you're like me, for instance, I think right now I have 4,900 friends, something like that, close to the 5,000. I just recently went through and took some off. So it's right around there, how many friends I have. But you know, on a given day, I can have anywhere from 5 to 20 to 30 birthdays to wish people, right? And to me, that's a huge, important thing to do when you're trying to build relationships. So if you send them a personal message, so I have 5 different messages programmed in there. So this app will automatically pick and sort through randomly, so there's no given order. So Facebook doesn't flag you, which is really nice. And here we go. It's getting ready to send out my first message. So it works automatically. Like I said, I can go do my laundry, I can clean my house, I can do whatever I need to do that day, right? And this is just going to automatically either post, send messages, or you can even have it do both if you want. So this is how easy it is to start building your relationships. And you're going to build that know, like, and trust factor. And, you know, once people get to know you, this can possibly start conversations when you're wishing happy birthdays. So it's really, really easy to do. And go back to my Facebook here. It saves you a lot of time. So let me stop this screen share. So it is going to keep going through that. And every 2 minutes, I don't want to waste your time and leave it on there for another 2 minutes, but every 2 minutes, it is going to go to the next person, select another message, send it to them. And just by doing this, it opens up conversations for you to build those relationships on Facebook for your business. So like I said, this is just one of the programs that comes with My Software Business. And there's 11 others. So I will be featuring different ones as I start using them and get to know them. But I just wanted to show you this one today because I love this one. I'm all about building relationships online. So I hope this helps. And I will put my number below this video. I'll also put the link. My phone number works in the United States and Canada. That's how I have it set up. When you join My Software Business, everybody gets their own unique number. So really quickly, you get your own unique number and it sets you up into this AI bot if you decide to be a reseller. Now you can purchase these software programs for that one-time fee of $200 and just use them personally. Right there, that is a big money saver compared to the programs that I've seen out there that have these monthly fees for all these different things that the programs do that come with My Software Business. So it's just that one-time fee. If you want to be a reseller, then you can get into the automated bot system. When you join, it is $50 per year to be a reseller, so extremely reasonable. And you'll get your own number, which puts you into the automated system, which is great because that's another time saver, right? So if people call or text your phone number, they're put into the AI system and the bot takes over and automatically answers their questions and closes those sales for you. So, and you can see in your back office, everybody that joins. So if you want to do any further, you know, reaching out or follow up, you can do that. And you also get a website. So for me, I only have my number working in the United States and Canada. You can pick where you want yours to work. And from there, you can also use your link so that people can go and watch the videos. There's a 10-minute video that explains it all, goes through different things, all the information you need. So I will put both of those below this video if you want to check it out more. As always, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always happy to answer any questions for anybody and personally speak to you. So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you found this useful. And if you want to start using these softwares for your business and save yourself some time and money, because I know a lot of you are probably using multiple programs that have monthly fees, and those can really start adding up. And I'm a big believer in using things that are simple and also using things that don't necessarily have to cost a lot of money and can save you a lot of time. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon.